So guys, in today's Django video, I am telling about the how to create an app in Django. So now we are making our first app in the Django. So get ready for that and please hit the like button, share with friends and subscribe to my channel and do not forget to all the notification bell also you never miss our future latest videos also. So now I did not take it a long time, so let me move to computer screen and let's learn about how to create an app in Django. So now let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with loving. So guys, in today's Django video, I'm telling about the how to create an app in Django. So let's start and let's learn about how to create an app in Django. First of all, you must know what is an app. If you don't know what is an app, so let me tell you what is an app. An app is a web application that has a specific meaning in your project, like a home page, a contact form, or a members database. In this tutorial, we will create an app that allows us to list and register members in a database. But first, let's just create a simple Django app that displays Hello World. Let me make one app which print only Hello World. How create an app? I will name my app members. I am giving my name of my app is members. Okay. We are start by navigation to selected location where you want to store the app. In my case, the my10 folder and run the command below. If the server is still running and you are not able to write commands, press Ctrl break. If you are in Visual Studio Code the server is still running, so what you can do, you write like you press Ctrl break or Ctrl C to stop the server and you will be back in the virtual environment like that. Now like that you will be start your app writing this command. If you are using a Visual Studio Code, I am telling you who are using the Visual Studio Code, I am using the Applet. Okay. Django creates a folder named members in my project with this content, with this type of content. So who are using a Visual Studio Code, this type of content has been come to you. These are all files and folders with a specific meaning. You will learn about most of them later in this tutorial. First, take a look at the file called views.py. This is where we gather the information we need to send back a proper response. And so now let me give you one example. Let me go on my Applet. When I open my Applet like that and it take a little bit loading, then it will be open it. Then when it will be open it, you can open your RAPL. Then when you open your RAPL, so now here you can see it. This type of one RAPL I have been open it, and here you can see it. This type of one thing has been opened for here you can see it like that. And in next video we see about the views.py file, and where is the views.py file? Let me tell you. The views.py file where let me show you. There is the views.py file. We learn about that in the next video, what are views.py file. So here you can see it, but in today's video we learn about how to create an app in the Django, and you will learn more about views in the next chapter. Okay, in the next chapter we learn about the views. So in today's video only we create an app, how to create an app. Okay, and I am also telling you one more time, if your server is still running, so you write here Ctrl or break or Ctrl C like that. Okay, then here you can see my server has been gone. When I run and Ctrl C or Ctrl break, you can write it, then your server will be gone. I stop, so it will be in the Applet. What you can do, you write here or you only click on the stop, then your server will be stop, and then run, so then your server will be run. Here you can see it. And in the Visual Studio Code, what you can do, you click Ctrl break or Ctrl C. Okay, if you are using the Visual Studio Code, for those people I am telling you. So here you can see it. In today's video I told you about how to create an app in Django, and in the next video we see views.py file. Okay, and from the next video these are very important video you must know. If you are mastering the Django, so you must know these things. Please see my next videos, please, because these videos are very important, like what a views.py file, what is that. So this is very important. So here you can see it. In today's video I told you about that, how to break the server, and here you can see it. I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please hit the like button, share your friends, and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also. You never miss our latest future videos also. Okay, so now I'm meeting next class and next video I'm making like that type of videos. So for today, goodbye.